Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about downloading your TikTok data on your PC. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is navigate to your TikTok profile page and select the gear icon underneath your username and handle. And where it says privacy, data, download your data, go ahead and select that. And then you can go ahead and select the data you were requesting to download and then select the request data button. Give it a moment. And then once it's done downloading, it should give you a link to that file. You can go ahead and just give it a moment. It may take up to a couple minutes in order to finish downloading here. And you can also view past requests as well if there were any requests in here. And then once that's done, it should actually download to your computer in that file format that you requested it in. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.